What's going on, guys? Today I'm always excited for these bikes, but this one I'm especially excited for. I'm going to be riding the oldest Goldwing that I've ever ridden. It's a 1998 Honda Goldwing GL 1500. Super excited for it, and it's definitely the most minivan looking Goldwing that I've ridden. But oh man, I'm just a huge fan of the design on this thing. Super retro. Look at these freaking vents on the side. Brake cooling vents, pretty crazy. The other exciting thing today is that we got Dan, we got Jake, and we got Walter, all here. I'll link their channels down.
You're watching that crazy Motonosity channel on that Motonosity place.
You didn't even let me finish your shout out.
You're watching Motonosity's Minecraft YouTube channel. We're gonna I don't know, dude. I'm done.
So we're gonna take these bikes out. I'm pretty excited to see what the features are on the Goldwing from '98. And then we got Dan. I don't know who's riding what. I know Walter's riding the FZ10 down there. Got Dan on the V-Rod, and Jake is on whatever this one is. I know nothing about Harley, so don't ask me. I don't know what kind it is, but yeah. Oh, it's a Street Glide. It says it right there on the top. So I'm gonna get this stuff put away. We got tons of storage. We got storage in Jake's Harley. We got storage in the Goldwing, and we get out on the road, figure out how to ride, and have some fun. I smell marijuana right now. So we're four-person paired on Cena, and it is literally the worst thing ever. Like I said, Walter is on a FZ10. Jake is on some sort of Harley Street Glide. And Dan, you're on a Harley V-Rod. So this is the oldest Goldwing that I've ever ridden. I am in love with this color though. It's like a purple beige. I gotta figure out how to ride this thing first. It won't start. Wait, what is that?
It's called change.
Does it choke?
Gotta get warmed up, like.
Oh, so I'm just gonna have to sit here for a while and then I flip it off? I can't even hear my bike over y'all. We're good? Alrighty. I'm good. I can't hear my bike, dude. I'm ready.
You ready? Okay.
Dude, this is gonna be worse than the first time I rode a Goldwing. No!
No, I found it.
It's probably about right there for a couple minutes, then turn it off, okay?
Just leave it there?
And then until y'all get to that next light, and then cut it off.
Alright.
Could it be the fact that you're riding an ancient piece of technology?
The bike is so quiet and everything else is so loud that I can't even start from a stop properly.
Is everybody ready? We're good.
I'm going.
We're good. Yeah, go.
No, dude. Dude, I can't hear my bike.
Wait, what happened to Moto?
I can't hear my bike.
We're going the wrong way. It's alright, Moto. We gotta do a U-turn. We gotta do a U-turn.
Alright, I'm good. I'm good. Oh my god. Yo, this clutch feels the same, like open to close, and the bike makes no sound. I kept freaking stalling it. Wait, where are you guys going?
Oh no, the light's turning red. Let's go. We gotta take a left.
Why are we going left?
Because we gotta take a U-turn. Moto missed a turn.
I was fine.
Alright, it's alright, Moto. We'll wait for you up here. We'll wait for him, okay? We gotta wait.
I thought that guy was Walter up ahead. Oh, this thing is like the Grom. You get to the bottom and you can keep pressing the shift lever. I've never missed a gear indicator so much.
We've been on the road for 5 seconds and everything's bad. Yeah, we're going straight, Moto.
No! Wait, where are we going?
We had to make a U-turn, dingus. We're the worst biker gang of all time.
Oh no, now I'm sitting next to the loudest bike here. Thank you Wow Motorcycles for letting us humiliate ourselves. Do I have a radio on here? I've got speakers. How do I control my radio? Air pressure control? What? Alright, I got a hang of this now.
Look, Moto, I'm in the back pegs. It's more comfortable for me, actually.
The entire audio on my vlog is going to be terrible because of that exhaust. Tune, tape. There's gotta be radio here. I need to figure out how this is the weirdest experience. This suspension is so soft. Every time I start this thing, I feel like I'm gonna stall it. Oh yeah. I hope we're hitting the highway because I'm so ready for this cruise control. God damn, that bike is so loud. Do it with Dan. Your bike sounds amazing.
Oh, do it with Dan.
Jeez. Okay, this thing is significantly slower than every other Goldwing.
Wait, where are you?
I'm way back here, man.
Are you good, Moto?
We've already lost Moto again.
We're going like 65, man.
Moto's like, oh, I want to ride the Goldwing.
Dude, for such a large bike, this thing is just like blown around in the wind.
Hey, Moto, you're back.
What's up, guys? Dude, that bike looks so good. Jeez, that sound, dude.
I love it. It's easily the best sounding Harley out there, in my opinion. My humble opinion.
Dan, is that a helicopter?
Oh, the helicopter. Yeah, it's a cargo container helicopter.
The helicopter has arms, has legs.
It's crazy looking, dude.
I crashed one of those in Grand Theft Auto.
There's so much traffic. Oh my, why did we go this way? But yeah, it's crazy how much this thing gets blown around in the wind. I feel like I'm a lot more upright than the other Goldwings too.
So it says I have to exit it in a mile. I really should be more over. I'm just not because I know we can do motorcycle things.
Oh, I can't. I can definitely not do motorcycle things right now.
You can do motorcycle things, Moto. I'm on a much bigger thing than you are.
This is so confusing. I have no idea what we're doing. Where are you going, Jake?
Jake, make some room.
Jake, you need to give us like warning.
I got turn signals and you're just following me. It's fine.
No, I can't just follow you. I am incapable. What exit are we taking?
Something called what is this exit? Don't kill me. Can you spin the tire when you do that?
God, I love doing that.
My bike may not make a lot of noise, but I can take the kids to soccer practice on it.
How many kids do you have? Because if it's more than one, that ain't happening.
Jake, why are you slowing down?
Because it's a Harley. Harleys aren't allowed to make turns.
Howdy, partner.
Hey, you got cruise control too, bro. Wait, we gotta set our cruise control so I can let go of my throttle hand.
Wait. Joint cruise control. Wait, once we get to a straight.
Alright, there we go. It's set. It's set, Moto. I got it set at like 65 or something.
Wait, I gotta get next to you.
I got the cruise control on.
No!
Ah, he's got it too!
Wait, the FC10 has cruise control? Good lordy.
Hey guys, can I hang out with y'all up here? I know I don't have cruise control, but can I hang out?
Watch out, Moto.
No, I got my cruise control set. I'm flying. I'm
so left out, guys. I don't have cruise control. All right, get over, you and me. All right, you ready? Go!
Oh my gosh, what is happening?
The Harley gets him again.
Jeez.
Are you spinning it? Why don't you
He
ever show
slid
me?
it.
I want to see what it does.
It kicked out 2 feet.
Dude, I got like really sideways on that one a second ago. I didn't mean to.
Man, that tire looks so moist.
It is so dirty and moist. It's a hot tire, boy. Yeah, we're gonna die. It's cool.
Listen to mine. Woo!
I think I hear Motonosity's going.
Did you hear it breathe?
Hi, Moto. You look so comfortable.
Yeah, I legit can't hear my bike over anything. I was sitting at 5,000 RPM unintentionally, which is high for this bike.
Moto needs to be in the front because I want to get some of his heater. He's got air conditioning. I want to get some of that heat, dog. All right, Moto, just stay right where you are. All right, give Daddy some of that sweet heat, foot heat right there.
Gosh,
I did tip him a little bit. I gave him a wee push.
guess he figured out how to use his cruise control.
I've already used almost a quarter of a tank.
Still 100% at full, Dan. You've already used a quarter.
Go! Here they come.
What? Pin it. Okay, well, that's fun. That was fun. Ah!
Holy crap!
Oh no! Slow down! I'm going like 100.
Dude, 100 on this thing feels so fast.
Moto looks bored. Oh, are you feeling tired, Moto? Might have to take a nap.
Ah!
Ready, set, go! Oh, you missed a gear.
Dude, this thing feels so unstable at 100. Jeez.
Where the f is Moto?
I'm back here, struggling at 95 miles an hour.
Can Moto Spike even do 100?
Yes, I'm doing 100 right now and it feels so unstable.
Oh no. Where's Moto's battleship?
Is Motonosity just coming up like a madman? Here he comes. He's gonna come aggressively passing us on the other side.
Where are we going? Can we go to a gas station so I can fill up while you guys switch batteries?
All right. Well, I need 0 gas and batteries, so I guess I'll just wait for you guys in the shade over here.
How'd I turn this thing off?
Dan doesn't know how to turn his bike off.
Dude, it doesn't have a key.
I don't have to wait for you to lean yours because I'm gonna. Look, mine's gonna crash into it.